Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to mute accounts on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Now tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the username of the account that you'd like to mute and perform your search. Now tap on the account username. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. There you can find mute option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on yes I'm sure option. And this is how you can mute someone on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.